Hello YouTube, what's up? Yeah, as you can see, I'm on my YouTube channel. Yeah, today we're gonna be having a huge fight. As you can read on the title, yeah, MuhammedVlogs, yeah, you fucking MuhammedVlogs. Let's show you Muhammad, you fucking bastard. Not that, yeah, this one. Click. You've been chatting shit on every single thing. You can't even spell. What do you mean I can't spell? Fanta Forces? I can. Some dead fucking live. That wasn't me actually recording. That was just a live stream that went on for no fucking reason. What the fuck is this? You can't do shit. So you're telling me you can make a better house than me, a Bloxburg? Yeah. So why don't you make a video of playing fucking Roblox and tell me if you actually can make a better fucking house than me? So let's get into it. Just watch this. I wanna watch this one. A Q&A many people have been waiting for. 10 likes. No. Before we get into this, there's so many mean comments. That was me. So, you too fat to take karate lesson, mate. Kofta, ra, some messy house. How much clothes do you have on you? Nice channel, nice editing. I know you hate me. It's Ariane, by the way. Bro, the laundry behind you. What the fuck is this? Who makes a video with the laundry behind himself? Good English. Alright. Nice channel, nice editing. Yeah, what the fuck? You said you left that link in the description for your... Yeah. Let's get into it. And... yeah. Fucking retarded piece of shit. So you're not happy with me, I'm not happy with you. Fucking 30 likes at this drop coming soon. Repeat myself. 30 likes, this drop coming soon.
So yesterday on Instagram, I uploaded this to my story. It says,
Wait, what does that say? Guys, ask me some Q&A question for a video. My YouTube is in my bio. This is on Instagram, innit? This is on Instagram. Yeah?
But that was the thing that annoyed me. The thing that annoyed me the most was I said my YouTube channel name is in my bio. On Instagram, there's a bio section. If you know.
See, this is Instagram, innit? Instagram.
If you don't use Instagram.
MuhammedVlogs, that's his YouTube channel, yeah? Pokey, but you can't say Pokey, but you fucking retarded shit. You're fucking Bangladesh. Come outside, mate. Come outside, you fucking racist fucking kid. I know you left your YouTube channel, YouTuber MuhammedVlogs.
Instagram, and you won't know what the bio section is, but it says it there. By the way, if you use Instagram, follow me. My
XXMCSRY3694XX.
Instagram is xxmate3694, but I have a link in the description down below. So,
okay, at this point where I get fucking so angry, where is that fucking link? It doesn't says show more. Fucked up.
Gee, fuck. What we were talking about. The thing that annoyed me most was I said that it was in the bio, but some guys like these.
Look, that is a Facebook reply, and he did not show us the Facebook bio, cause this wasn't on the Facebook. You fucking retarded shit. This is Facebook. It's blue. Like and reply 1 hour. What's your channel called? Fucking that shit.
Keep asking me what's your channel name. I'm like, what the hell?
Yeah, I know what the hell. I'm laughing at you. You don't know what Facebook is, and you don't know. Oh, this guy.
I just said that it was in the bio, and you guys are like, you guys did not see that. So anyway, let's put this to the side and continue with the video. So roll up the first question: Shaki or Kashi? Alright guys, so if you don't know what this means, it's basically some like names that I called to my friend.
Is that English? That is kind of English, but why does this guy says good English? Where is it gone? Good English. He actually does. Listen to this part again.
Like names that I called to my friend that
I could say it better. I call him Shaki, Kaki, Kashi, cause Kashi makes him really annoyed. So he tries to attack me. Listen. Whose sentence is better? Leave a like if mine's better. Comment down below if it's his.
called to my friend that annoys him really, really much.
Call my friend that annoys him very, very much. What the fuck?
I refuse to answer that question because I don't want to start a fight again. Because whenever I say that, you guys always try to
Attack me? What do you mean by attack me? Punches in the face, punches in the belly, you fucking retarded guy.
attack me. So I'm gonna refuse to answer the question. I can't answer the question. So yeah, roll up the next question. Have you ever taken any karate lessons? The answer to that is yes. And let me tell you a quick story. So when I was about like 7 or 8 years old, I went to a karate place.
You can't take karate lessons. 30 likes for a diss track. I'ma be coming soon.
When my dad took me to a karate place, he told me that I'm going to take you to karate because at that time I liked martial arts. So when I stepped through the door, I was like, no, fuck this. I ain't gonna do this. So then I wanted to leave.
Let's
I
get.
might start joining again, I'm not sure. Do I sleep with the closet doors open or closed? People, is that
A person meant if he sleeps with a closet open, he probably would run to change clothes. Yeah, that's what I mean, if you get me.
Like, just, who asked that? Where would you bury living treasure if you had some?
I have a good answer for this.
Bury
Just
it
at the end
in
of the video,
garden
yeah.
Because that's like where I go for 1% of my life. But, yeah, but it's like, there's not that much good.
You would bury it in your garden, which is down there.
This is what my garden looks like from here.
Damn, is that a garden? That's heaven, mate. That's heaven. Whoa, look at that over there. What is that? Your neighbor house is way fucking better, mate. Yeah, the trash. Who shows that trash in a video? Fuck you, mate. Yeah, my answer is I would bury the treasure in his fucking belly. So, yeah, this is it. There will be as soon this drop coming up 30 likes, and I'm gonna be dropping a diss track. And yeah, you guys been asking me why don't I make Fun to Process part 2. I'm just working on it, yeah, and I'll make it a Q&A. That doesn't make sense. A Q&A. A Q&A. Yeah, actually does. Yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and peace.